Hello people, we are here at IMTEX 2025. V Raja is specialized for coolant filtration system and solution. IMTEX 2025, so how is it going?
Oh, it's a fantastic experience. We have had amazing, genuine customers and inquiries coming in. We have been visited by our old customers also. They wanted to see what new products we have launched, and it has been an interesting experience altogether. Interesting interactions with everybody. There has been a fantastic show till now.
So how like customer or services you are exhibiting at IMTEX 2025? What services you are exhibiting?
So we are basically into centralized filtration system, which is one common filtration system for a group of machines, which is a project that has to be done with the customer interaction. Where because of implementation of a central filtration system, you save almost 25% shop floor area. You have a power saving of almost 50%, and plus your coolant life goes up almost 10 times. So a lot of customers are getting benefit out of it. These are our basic initial offering, and we have almost 600 installations all over India, where we are catering. The largest is around 280 machines connected to one filtration system, handling almost 30,000 liters per minute, and 20 tons of chips is handled a day. So these such kind of installations are all over India. And apart from that, we are now actually connecting after the filtration system. We are also doing chip processing, where we do the washing, cleaning, and briquetting. And sometimes we also put the refined chips back into the furnace. So it's completely end-to-end solution for our customers now.
As you have mentioned about the products and services, so how these are addressing customers?
Nowadays, you will realize that manufacturing is on the growth in India, and people are having a lot of machines in single shop floor. Because of this concept of centralized filtration system, you reduce the manpower required for maintenance. You can accommodate more machines in the same area of shop floor availability, and because of that, the maintenance becomes much lesser, and obviously it benefits the customer at the end of the day. We also have a lot of power saving into it, and this adds added benefit to the customer.
So as you have mentioned about India, so what is your say on Make in India?
Oh, it's a fantastic initiative, and we ourselves are completely believer in that, and we practice that. In fact, all our products are completely designed by us, designed, manufactured. We do the installation, commissioning, and after sales support. So we are the true embodiment of what we call as Atmanirbhar Bharat, and we have imported sub-produced products also, where we can offer to the customers where they have been lacking all through the years now.
So your say on Indian manufacturing?
Indian manufacturing is growing leaps and bounds, and I believe we have a lot of more potential. The manufacturing segment, especially, is getting a good boost from the policies that the government is importing, and because of that, we have certainly seen a large jump in manufacturing in India. I am sure there is. I believe there is at least tenfold possibility that manufacturing can grow from here.
In future, sir, what we can expect from V Raja, like future prospect, future aspirations of V Raja?
So our tagline in Viraja is that we don't sell products, we offer solutions. So our because of our brand now, the customer here knows that whenever they are in particular problem and they need a solution, we are there. We understand the problem, we discuss with the customer, and we bring out solutions. So like the product that we have launched this time is the chip ringer and the chip cutter. These are products that the customer was facing a problem about. In fact, the chip briquetting machine also, they have been facing a lot of issues, and that's why we have developed these products and we are launching in this Intex this year.
That's great, sir. Thank you for giving insightful knowledge. So for more updates, stay tuned to Machine Maker.